10, you're going to hold it at the top. 4, 5, 3, 7. We ain't going down. We're not going up. Hold it. Don't lock it out. Don't lock it. Right there. Hold it. 2, 3, 5, 7. For 110. Yeah. I got you. Hey, we'll see what you can do. Hold it up at the top. Don't lock it out. Good sir. Get that video. You good, baby? Now we can go up heavy on this one. Seven, yeah, finish it. 8, yeah. Knock it out. Don't lock it, don't lock it. Hold it. 2, 3, stop. Get tougher. It's gonna get tougher and tougher now. Yeah, let's go. We're gonna write this down. Go ahead and write. Cierra, write that down. Real quick for y'all. Right here's down. Here's 50 pounds. The first set. Matter of fact, you write it down. Since you done, you come on and work out. Write yours down and then write hers down. Yours was 50 for the first, hers was 20. Let's go. Explode at the bottom. 6. We gotta get exploded. It's gonna come in the air. 7. So hold it. Hold it. Bring it up. Hold it. 2, 3. 7. How you feel? Remember, we gotta. You gotta get it up there as quick as you can. But that oxygen, you breathe, it's your energy. It's your energy. You ain't gonna get it up if you don't get if you don't have your energy. That's right. All right.
Good hammer.
Hey, let's go with
Change that to a 4.
You do it. Let's go. Let's go get it. All you. It's all you. I ain't gonna put no resistance behind it. Let's go. Let's go. 2. Yeah. Middle school running back out. Let's go. Yeah. 3.